Hi, have you ever heard about this site called Options Trading Authority? It's a site that's been around for quite a while, going on, let's see, 10, 15 years. And so the focus here has been mostly in systems development. And that's a good thing if you're looking for an options trading system, especially if you're looking for an options trading system that is very powerful and that could potentially make you a lot of money and put you in a position to compound those profits over time. Now, in order to compound profits over time for astronomical gains, one has to have the overall plan and perspective. You got to have the plan going out decades from now. If you study some of the old investors, of course, Warren Buffett was the most popular one for a long time. He talked a lot about compounding. All right, he talked about having a long-term plan, a long-term vision. So, if you want to be able to make money in trading over time, you absolutely must have a long-term plan. It has to be specific. It has to be a goal as well. It's got to be big. It's got to make you super excited. It's got to be something that registers with you as a very positive thing that uplifts you, that you would really feel proud of accomplishing, that you would feel like an absolute winner to accomplish. All right, these are the types of associations with the inner game psychology and the emotional scenario on your insides that you want to have with your goal. You don't want someone else's goal, although you can take someone else's goal if it's super exciting to you and look to duplicate it or beat it. A lot of people do super well by finding someone who achieved a great goal and setting that goal as something to go beat. Like, what was that? The 4-minute mile? All right, so we haven't done much marketing over the years, which is probably not the best idea for a website that is selling information products, right? But again, our focus has been on the systems, and we developed a ton of systems to meet different angles and styles of trading and working with our students over time, finding what's going to work best for them. So we worked with our students and by the inspiration of our students and what people were looking for, and we're able to make incredible discoveries. Also, we have a cross-correlation mindset here where we take from different things in life, but also different ways of moving around in the price charts versus different instruments and different styles of trading. For example, binaries were a big new world of trading, which then went on to influence a whole new genre of regular trading or options trading systems. Because trading the binaries, we had to go look out into expiration and have a future type of focus. So additionally, with the original binaries, at least, once you entered, you couldn't get out. So you better enter well. So then that forced us to focus on entering better. And if you can get better at entering in your trading in general, but also your systems or strategy development, you're going to become a better, more profitable trader. No problem for most traders, or all traders, you can say, at some point in time, especially more than others. Even the superhero traders you've read about in the Market Wizards, is that if you don't work things out to the point where you work your trading into a business concept and you accept that there are certain parameters you must abide by, there are certain mathematical principles that you must abide by. There are certain risk to reward ratio concepts you must abide by. There are certain types of repeated moves. There are certain types of consistency that you absolutely need to be doing over and over and over and over until you get to that point where you completely accept it, because either you just accepted it from the start because you were taught well, or you learned through the school of hard knocks, which is usually the case for most traders, losing a lot of money in the process. You have to get to the point where you stop chasing these emotional triggers and these wrong messages put out through the ether. Okay, somehow it gets from the marketplace to your brain, right? Or it could be through media. But if you're watching a price chart, you can get these communications to your brain which tell you to enter here and there, all at the wrong time, at the wrong place, with the wrong amount of money, right? So you lose and you give the marketplace your money. Because what? Because the marketplace wants to take your money, right? Well, it's fair because you want to take the marketplace's money, right? Okay, so we have to get a little smarter, and we have to start doing repeatable things where the math works out. We can't change our position size all the time. We can't go with these emotional spark type of ideas. We have to develop a consistency. That's why it's super important to master systems trading and just get to a point where you just accept the system. And that's going to happen by study, by could be demo trading, could be pretend trading. You still have to trade real money though. And when you see that by obeying the rules of a well thought out trading system, that you are actually profiting and you're doing so on at least a fairly consistent basis, then you're going to believe or fully believe in that system. And when you get to that point, then the system will become a habit. You will habitually do the system. And then when you habitually do the system and not want to miss any trades, what happens? Well, now you're in a position to start compounding over time. Anyways, I just wanted to make a short video, even shorter than what I made this so far. But come on over to Options Trading Authority and sign up for a newsletter. You can start learning all sorts of different things about our different solutions as well. But, you can always reply on our newsletter to ask any questions. Just ask. Do you have this? Do you have that? We probably have it, okay? And come on over and at least see the possibilities. A lot of people don't know the possibilities, what's possible in trading and with options. Okay, so come on over, optionstradingauthority.com, and start to get to know our website and the stuff, the systems, products, and now signals that we offer. And just keep increasing your own personal power in trading, because if you work it out enough, eventually you'll get there. And to be able to trade well and consistently over time is a very powerful, liberating thing. You can make more money trading than arguably any other business, and you can make that more money trading with a lot less time, even just a couple minutes a day, and swing trading, trend trading, even certain styles of day trading, you can say. Okay, so come on over to Options Trading Authority and get started. Drop us a line, contact us with your questions. Again, you can easily reply on our newsletter, and that goes to our main support email. Okay, so that's about it. Just wanted to touch on a couple topics here and tell you that it is possible to become very profitable in options trading. We have many students who have written to us about their success going up, 6 figures, then on up to 7 figures, and so on. They stop. Usually after if someone hits 7 figures, they get really quiet because you don't want to be telling too many people. Once you get past certain points, right? Okay, but it's always fun to hear students' success, or it's important for us to hear if you're struggling, because we need to fix that, because we need to get you on our Hall of Fame board, which is breaking 7 figures. All right, that's the goal. And that's a goal we would like for you to have. It's a fun goal. For some of you, 7 figures may be too small. Okay, but if you haven't gotten there yet, well, then you at least want to hit that. And then from there, you can go on to bigger numbers. All right, that's it. OptionsTradingAuthority.com.